don't sleep tonight, baby, can you stay up? We could talk, we could dance, don't matter the circumstance, we don't let it change us. That's the beautiful thing about us. For all the diamonds and rings, we got trust. Roll with me, get it right.
Hey guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing is cleaning my bathroom. And I am going to show you guys how I clean my bathroom. I am just removing all of the products from my bathtub so I can clean it. And I am also using Clorox foam. And I will be using Clorox Bleach, the liquid. I take a lot of baths, so a lot of the oils just stay and there's a lot of scum from it. So I just fill up my bathtub with a lot of water and just let it sit there for a couple of minutes and just let everything just work its magic.
Know you're tired, know you're down, know you wanna leave this town. Baby, give me 1 year, yeah. Take my hand, take a leap, girl, you gotta wait and see where I take it from here.
So I love my bathroom to death, and the best products that I have put on my sink were these 2 baskets that I got at HomeGoods, and I love them so much, and I have less of a clutter on my bathroom sink, and I definitely recommend it, so I will link them down below.
Got everything you need, so take a chance on me.
And now I'm just spraying my bathroom mirror with Method glass cleaner. I love this product and I love this brand.
So take a chance on me. I got real big plans. Hold up, baby. I got real big plans. Hold up, baby.
I love the Method products, but I love wiping my products down with a cloth instead of a paper towel.
I got real big plans, baby, for you and me. So love me for who I am and for who I'm gonna be. Ain't got everything you want, but got everything you need. So take a chance on me.
One of my favorite products I have in my house is my Clorox Bleach wand. I got this at Target and I love it, and I will put it in the description box below so you guys can go and purchase it yourself.
I lie here restless like lines for a guest list, waiting for your message. I call out your name, but nobody answers. We spiral like dancers. I write you these last words to say. I'm begging you to please don't go. I don't wanna see you be with someone else. Don't make me drive at night in Hollywood as evenings go. I don't wanna put what we had on the shelf. I only want you.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you know every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
I only want you.